Welcome to in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up here my face recognition. As can you see, I can unlock device with my face. So now I'll make a couple of tries, the 5 ones, just to unlock the device with my face recognition, and we'll see how fast and how useful this feature is on our Samsung Galaxy F23. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as can you see, the face unlock method, the face unlock just tool work. The device unlock, we just unlock the device not so fast, unfortunately, like for example the fingerprint unlock, but it's work good, it's recognized my face. So if you don't like, for example, some methods like the fingerprint scanner or just the face unlock, so you can just try or use this just this unlock method. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.